Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to change Google Messages font size. The first thing I'd like you to do is to start by opening the Settings app on your Android phone. Now, why am I opening the Settings app on my Android phone? If you want the text in Google Messages to appear larger or smaller, there's an important detail you should know. Google Messages does not currently provide a dedicated font size settings inside the app. Instead, the size of the text displayed in Google Messages is affected by your Android phone system level font size or display size settings. So rather than looking through Google Messages settings for a font size option, you will need to adjust the settings through your Android phone. So start by opening the settings on your Android phone, which I'm here. This is where Android provides its system-wide size, text size controls. So scroll down until you find the option that says display and tap on it. On some Android phones, the settings may be located under accessibility instead. The exact location depends on your phone manufacturer and Android version. To look for an option such as font size, click on advanced, and advanced you have font size. So click on font size. On the Google Pixel, for example, Google provides this font size control under settings. You click on display size and text, and click on font size. But here it's just easy. I'm in font size. So once you tap on font size, you'll see a slider that lets you change the size of the text. All right, so move the slider to the left to make the text smaller. Move the slider to the right to make the text larger. As you adjust, you're going to see the preview. Taking it back to where it was. So as you adjust, Android provides a preview here so you can see how the new size will look. And once you've selected the font size that you want, just that's it. It's in the automatic. You don't have to. So just open Google Messages and open one of your conversations and check the text. So you see that Google Message text should now reflect your new Android font size settings, and that's pretty much how it looks like. All right, so go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.